Hello everyone, it is Charlotte here, and as promised I am coming in here with my Artymaze design team project idea. And because I've been so busy, what I did is I just took 10 minutes here, 15 minutes here, and just tried to get things together. That's what I'm going to share with you today so you can catch up with me. I did decide that I wanted this to be a ring binder, and I decided on 2 rings. And I did that because sometimes it's just nice for a change. And ring binders to me are a lot of fun. You can take them apart, take pages out, you can add pages. And so that's what I wanted to do. And I just wanted to kind of explain the process that I used. So we'll take this one because this one's really cute. And I will pull these out because these are additions. So, if I can do this without making a little bit of a mess, I took the pages, which measure, I think they're 5.5 tall. Yeah, 5.5 by, they would be probably 9 because this is doubled. I'm going to guess maybe 8.5. That makes more sense, 8.5. What I did is I went ahead and tea-dyed them, and I folded them all in half. And you don't have to have a hinge, but you have to think about, let's just take this for instance, say this is a piece of folded paper, and you were going to go ahead and punch holes in here. You would lose part of this, kind of like a 3-ring binder. If you look at the lined paper, you've got the holes in the paper, so you lose a part of that border. What I did is I went and I cut a piece of black cardstock 1 inch wide by the length of this paper, and then I marked where the 1/2 inch was. And I went ahead and when I folded this, I sandwiched the raw edges into this black cardstock. So I would create a border for my rings that really would not have it take away from my paper at all. That's one way you can do it. Another way you can do that is to cut this page and sandwich each individual page in a border, and then you don't lose all of this writing space in here. Now, the reason this doesn't bother me is because I am going to put a little bit of glue on the bottom of many of these pages. I don't know yet if it's going to be each one, and I am going to have a pocket. And for writing space, what I did is I went ahead and I took tea or coffee dyed paper, and I did the exact same thing that I did with these pieces. I folded them in half. And so you do have front and back to write on. This one I happened to put one of the little Tim Holtz photo dies in, and this came with the kit, so I created a pocket. There's actually another one like this that has, here's the other one, because there were 2 pockets. I'll show you this too. So there's one, and oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Here's the other one. Here's the other one. Here's another pocket. So these in the book, of course, will all go not together like this. They'll be separated, but they'll go like this. And of course, you will open it this way. So that is where I am, and I've done it to each page in the kit that I was going to use. And then I added these pages, these coffee dye tea dyed pages, And then I went ahead and decided I want a guest check, so I did the exact same thing with the guest check. Did not want to cut this off, so folded it up. I'm not sure yet. I think I'm going to leave it. I could glue it and make a pocket, but I think I am going to leave it and just maybe attach a little clip here, maybe with a dangle, but there'll be a guest check. And then I did it with a glycine bag, just like that. So this will go in. And then I had 3 pages that didn't really have centers. Just beautiful. I didn't want to lose the centers of these pages. I didn't want to cut them. So what I did is on this one, I created an envelope, kind of a pocket envelope like this. And so this could go inside one of these. I could put a little border on here and have this be a separate page altogether, or I could just clip this on. I'm not real sure yet what I'm going to do with this, so I just left it. This page I left just like this, so it can easily be put into this pocket, or it could be put into one of these pockets as a journal card. Then there's this one. I thought she was so cool. The back was just really neat, and so was this. So I created an envelope out of this. And of course, you've got this journal space if you want it. There'll be something inside of here, and then it's going to close with a copper paper clip that'll have something hanging off of it. So these papers are ready to go, and this will be the covers. This will be the cover that will hold all of what I just showed you. And when you open it up, this is the inside cover. This needs to be embellished. This is going to have gears and lace, and we are going to be playing with this. And I will do this on camera. Then this is the back. Here's the inside back. Here is the back. And I will be doing something with this as well. So these 2 pieces are ready to go. But on top of this, which will house all of these papers here, so this book will go together like that. This will be here like this. So on top of this, I'm thinking I want to put this. This is a Tim Holtz fabric journal. This is how it comes. And I'm trying to figure out a way. This will have to be backed because these are not going to have holes in them. I was thinking I could put fabric here with holes so that this could sit like this and be a part of that. But I'm also thinking of backing this with cardstock, heavy cardstock, or another piece of chipboard, because that's what this is. This is like a 1/8 of an inch of heavy chipboard. And this will be its own, it will be together with the rings, but this will be its own, this will sit on top and kind of be like its own thing. And we're going to decorate this with lace and some of the papers, and just I'm not really sure where this is going, but it's going somewhere. So I just have to, in my mind, kind of figure out if I just want to attach this to a back that will have the rings. So it would be like if it was on a piece of cardstock, it would be like this, but smaller. I think I wouldn't make it too much larger than what this is, and this then would be glued to it like that, and then it would attach to the top of this. So yeah, we are going to, I think, first decorate this. So I think this piece is going to come next. I have to just gather all my elements. I've not put the rings in because I don't know yet the size rings I'm going to need. I could put it together with the rings and always trade them out because I think this is going to get pretty thick. And then having this on the top, I just think it's going to be the coolest journal ever. So I wanted to catch you up on that. That is where we are in this, and hopefully to the next video, we are going to begin the process of decorating the cover of our steampunk project. So I hope you'll stay with me, guys. I will see you then. Have a great one, and thanks so much. Bye, guys.